this problem wants you to find the area of a rhombus. I know it's a rhombus because the sides are all marked as congruent. In order to find the area of a rhombus, we have to take diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 and divide it by 2. Diagonal 1 and diagonal 2 basically represent the total width and total height. So this horizontal diagonal is labeled with 8 on the right side. Since diagonals bisect each other on a rhombus, I know that if I add those together, it gives me the total diagonal. So that would be 16. Now the other diagonal I don't know. That's basically the total height. I'm going to focus on a right triangle here, particularly the one with the 17. So if I pull that triangle aside, if I can figure out this length where I'm putting the x, I can just double it to represent the full diagonal. So I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus 64 equals 289. If we subtract 64, that gives me 225. And square root of 225 is 15. So I'm going to go back to the original picture, and I'm going to label this side now where x was. I'm going to call that 15, which means the top length is also 15. So 15 times 2 is 30. So these are the two numbers that we're going to use in the formula. So my total area would be 16 times 30 divided by 2. And again, I like to simplify. These don't reduce with both numbers, but you can reduce the 2 with one of them. So 8 times 30, 8 times 3 is 24. So this would be 240 units squared.